How to change your plan in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can change our plan on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Maybe you have a standard plan or a premium ultra HD plan. Maybe you want to downgrade it or maybe you want to upgrade it. Whatever your reason may be, you just want to change the plans, right? So in order to do that, we will not be able to do it from the Netflix app. So instead what we will do is we will just go ahead and then open up our browser, and then you want to go to netflix.com from your browser. So log into netflix.com from your browser, then tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side and then go to the option called account, which you see. Once you tap on the option called account, it will take you to a page where you can customize all of your account settings. We didn't have this option in the application. That is why I'm trying to tell you you have to log in from your browser. So when you go to the account page, you will see all these sorts of information where you have to scroll, and then you'll see all of your billing details as well as your payment info. Over here you will see my current plan is basically the mobile plan, which is for a single device, right? So if you want to upgrade or downgrade your plan, just tap on the change plan option over here. So after you tap on the change plan option, you'll be able to see a list of other plans along with the list of their prices as well and the features that you get over here. So depending upon what you want, all you have to do is just tap on the continue button from the bottom. It will ask you for a confirmation, change it from here to your new plan, and then just over here you'll find the option called confirm change, and a new plan will basically start right away. And this is how you can go ahead and then change your plan on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.